I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by loading your stems into a DAW and confirming channel format. This matters because spatial placement reads channel metadata. Once done, insert an ambisonic or binaural plugin on the master bus so you can monitor in first-order ambisonics or binaural output. Make sure to set your project sample rate to 48 kHz for compatibility with most spatial renderers. You want clear monitoring. Use closed-back headphones and enable the plugin's headphone compensation. This first step gets your material and monitoring chain ready to map sounds. You now place each source using a spatial panner, choosing azimuth, elevation, and distance so listeners perceive direction and depth. This is why polar coordinates work well. Once positioned, convert or encode each panned signal into the ambisonic format your renderer expects. Choose first order for simplicity or third order for higher precision. Make sure to automate movements where needed. Smooth curves sound natural. Finally, check the binaural monitoring output to verify localization and balance, making real-time tweaks to EQ and reverb to preserve spatial clarity. You finish by rendering to the format required. Stereo binaural for headphone delivery or ambisonic B format for platforms that support it. Once rendered, test on multiple systems, headphones first, then phone playback and laptop speakers, because spatial perception changes with playback. If localization feels off, verify plugin order and that panning automation didn't clip or reset. These are common issues. Make sure to normalize levels and add a final limiter only if needed. Export with metadata and deliver your spatial mix confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.